Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. I'm very excited about today's video. I got my first PR. Yay! So we're going to talk about what I got and try it out, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about this company. It's iMethod Beauty. Y'all have probably seen some of the videos, review videos here on YouTube. When they reached out to me, they asked me which product I wanted. They have that eyeliner stamp that'll help you do a perfect wing liner, but my eyes are kind of crepey and I didn't figure that that would work too well for me. So I had seen quite a few people using an eyebrow stamp. They didn't use this brand, but I thought that that was very interesting, and I thought, you know, my eyebrows are looking a little rough, so I wanted to give this a try. So inside the box you get 2 packages of the stencils. And I know that some of y'all know that I am an artist. I never ever thought, I've used a lot of stencils in my life, never thought I would use one on my eyebrows, but here's the product, and they sent me the shade 03, which I believe is like a soft brown. And then there are the instructions, you know, but I'm like a man, I don't read instructions. And then it also came with 2 cute little spoolies. You know, one of these is going to end up in my purse because it's tiny. Then that way I can take a spoolie with me wherever I go. So the stencils are different sizes. And I'm not sure if it's the same in each package or if each package is different. But we're about to find out. This is what it looks like. And then you just pop this little cutout out of your stencil, and then there's your eyebrow. And I'm not sure if there are 2 in here or if you just flip it over, and then you have different styles. So as you can see, this has the tail that curves down, and this one kind of goes out. And they're even named. This one is called Youthful. This one is Party Star. And there's Dexter. Dexter, you want me to do your eyebrows? So I'm going to quickly look through these and pick out one that I want to try, and then we'll give it a go and see what happens. Okay, so both packets are the same, and there are 10 different styles in each pack. And so the names of the different styles are really cute. So we've got Classic, we've got Sexy, Heroine, Queen, Party Star, Youthful, Shooting Star, Elegant, Nobility, and Confident. So you can pick a different brow style depending on how you want to feel for the day. How cool is that? This is Confident. So let's go with Confident. Let's just do it and see what happens. I'm going to turn my light on, see if that helps any. I can look in my mirror. And let's see how we line this up. So you line it up like that, and then you get your little stamper and you stamp it on. Look, I wasn't expecting it to stick. So here's the product, and you twist it open, and there's the product on the stamper. So the product is inside, and you just put that in, get the product on it, and then you use this to stamp your brow on. One of the reasons I was so excited about this is because I'm not very good at drawing my brows on, so I thought, how amazing would this be? I can just stencil them on and have perfect brows and nobody will be the wiser. So let's try this out and see what's going to happen. I have heard some people say, and I don't know whether they were talking about this particular brand or another brand, but they were talking about that the stencil was too big. That doesn't look too big, but it also seems to me that if it comes too far in, that you just, I mean, you have control over where you're stamping. So let's stamp it on there and see what we get. All right, let's see what we look like. Are you serious? Look at that. I look like a beauty queen that knows what she's doing. Let's clean it up a little bit. I mean, obviously, if you go, I mean, come on. What? I'm shocked. I mean, look, it even, the line is perfect, like I cleaned it up with concealer. And look at the difference between this and this. Oh, look. I can still be expressive. Look. That's awesome. That's really awesome. I'm very impressed. Huh. Who knew? All right. Let's do the other side. See if we can get them to match, because that'll be the next thing. Is getting them to match. And we'll clean it off on my shirt. Don't look, Mom. Alright, so you flip it over. This is crazy, y'all. Alright. See if we can get it in the same place, because we can't have eyebrows that don't match, right? Alright, here we go. Maybe I should have dunked it back in there. And got some more product. Let's see if I can let's see if I can do this. You know, because you have to improvise sometimes. You ain't got nobody to help you. You got to figure it out. Problem solver. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, that's better. I needed to get some more product on there. Okay, let's see if they're even. Alrighty. We're gonna have to fix this one up a little bit, but you know, practice makes perfect. I got too much. Oh, there we go. That's better. Just clean it up a little bit. Think that they're a little uneven, but that's my fault. That is not a fault of the product. It'll take some time to adjust and get used to it so you can figure out exactly where the placement is. And then you can still take your eyebrow pencil and go in the front and do your little hairs. Lighten this up a little bit so it looks more natural. See that? What do y'all think? That's impressive. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. And I'm not gonna lie. You know, when you see these and you think, nah, it's probably a little gimmicky, but I mean, it works. I'm not sure if maybe this might be a little bit too dark for me. I believe that they have different color options. They have a store on Amazon. So I have to go look and see if they have different color options, but I'm impressed. And you know, when I want to feel a little sexy, I can go sexy. I'm excited to give them all a try. Maybe in another video, I'll do every one. And y'all can vote on which one is the best look for me. Yeah, we might just do that. That might be a thing. So, I'm excited. I'm excited. Look at my brows. I don't have 1990 brows anymore. That's awesome. I know that Sunny from Sunny's Place, she did their stamp for their eyeliner and she loves it. So I'm really impressed, y'all. So like I said, inside the box there are some instructions. Do people actually read the instructions anymore? And it talks about whether or not the stamp will dry out, and to make sure that you close the lid really tight so that it does not. And if the color doesn't work for you, to stamp it on a paper towel first to make it a little bit lighter application. If it's too light, just go back over it again to darken it up a little bit. It even says that if the stencils are too big, to let them know and they will send you the right stencils. So that's pretty awesome. And there's a little customer service thing here that says that if you're not completely satisfied for any reason, to contact them to ask for a refund or a replacement. No questions asked, it says right there. Full refund and no return needed to save time. So that's pretty awesome. And I also believe that this is waterproof. So they gave me a code if you want to go check it out. I think in their Amazon store, let me look so I'm giving you the right information. So in their Amazon store, this product, the box with everything in it, comes to $17.97. I mean, you can't beat that, and it looks like there's a lot of product in here. I don't know how long that will last, but these, I mean, they give you plenty of the stencils. 10 in each box or each pack. That's 20 stencils that'll last a long time because they're rubbery. They're not silicone. Y'all know what I'm talking about, but that'll last a long time. I mean, as long as you don't pull on them, because I would imagine that they can tear right there, but as long as you take care of them, those will last a long time. I don't know if you can buy just that on their store, but they gave me a code, so if you want to go to their Amazon store, and I'll leave that link down below too, you can save 10% off your order if you want to order from them. The only thing that I am getting out of this is the free product. I'm not getting any kickback or anything, so I'm giving you my 100% honest review of this. If I didn't like it, you would know that I didn't like it, but I mean, you can look at it and see. I'm blown away. when I go to work in the morning, because I've been off for 2 days, I'm getting ready to go back to work. Everybody's going to be like, you were off for 2 days and you grew eyebrows. Look at them. I mean, seriously, look at them. And I just did this mermaid look. I will link that up in the iCard so y'all can go check that out if you want. And this lip. And now I got the eyebrows to match. How awesome is that? Thank you so much, iMethod Beauty, for sending me eyebrows. You sent me eyebrows. How awesome is that? And thank you to Alan. He was amazing that I was emailing back and forth. So, and that's my very first PR. I'm so proud that I finally got some PR and I got to share it with you, and I'm so glad that it was actually a product that I like. 'Cause I could never, I mean, I'm an artist and I draw, but I could never draw on. Okay, well, maybe I could eventually, but that's very impressive. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed me being so surprised that I have eyebrows. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, and it sure would make my day. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, even eyebrows, and we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today. I'm grateful for eyebrows. Pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher? Oh, I don't know if you need eyebrows, but you're always fussing about not having a beard. Can you stamp this all over and make it look like hair? You could stamp a beard onto your face. Maybe iMethod Beauty will come up with a beard stencil so you can, you know, make a beard. I'll email them back and tell them you need a beard stencil. Okay, son? Mama loves you, boo.